Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with my Boxycharm. Yes, I know it's late in the month, but unfortunately, Boxycharm is having issues getting their boxes to Canada now on time. So I got an email this month saying that there's a problem when they cross the border and it's taking longer, so that's why last month's was late and this month's was late. That, coupled with the fact that my Boxycharm videos don't get a lot of views, this is actually going to be my last Boxycharm, which makes me really sad because I do really love this box. You guys know every time I open this video, this is my favorite time of the month. But now that I'm getting them way too late in the month, like this is barely going to go up in February, so it just seems irrelevant to post something that late in the month. And then I'm not getting a ton of views on them anyways, and I'm spending 30 bucks a month, which I mean, I am getting good makeup in return for that, but for now I'm gonna stop doing it. Maybe I'll start up again later on. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box. It costs $21 US a month. I pay $5 US shipping, and then you get 5 full-sized or deluxe-sized items in your box every month. So we're gonna jump right into this. I like to use everything in the box as soon as I get it. That is why my face is kind of half naked. First up in the box is this Pure Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Quite the mouthful, but this is a 4-in-1 lip product. It says it exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Yeesh. It uses shea butter to soften lips, while raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. So I'm going to start with that. That smells yummy. I like that this comes in like a lip applicating type thing. Oh, yeah, there's some exfoliating stuff in there. Oh no! Okay, don't press too hard if you have this. There's definitely some exfoliating chunks in there. Oh, and it's really soft. Like I'm trying to hold this and it's actually just like squishing and falling apart in my hands. Okay, well maybe I'll take a little chunk of that. So maybe this isn't the best packaging for this item. Tastes good. Oh, I forgot to get a wipe out first and now my fingers are all gross. Ooh, the longer it sits on my lips, it actually has like a little bit of a tingle to it. There's definitely some flaws with this packaging. Honestly, I think it should have just came in a little tub like most lip scrubs do. Although now that it's flat, it might be a little bit easier to use. Like I can just stick a little bit out and then kind of rub it around on my lips. I definitely understood where they were going with this, but they would have needed to make a more solid product for the execution to work properly. It did smooth out my lips a bit. They don't feel super hydrated, but I think that's because I wiped it off with a makeup remover. If I had just like wiped it off with water, maybe it would have been better. I don't know. So that is a $17 product. Next thing in the box is these brushes. These are from Crown Brushes. It's a trio brush set. Use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush, this one, can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. I guess that would work for concealer if you were like digging out of a pot or something. Cool. I would probably just end up using it for the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt your cheekbones and perimeter of your face. It's a really small, actually that's kind of nice for like getting a really specific contour. That might work. I'll try that. And then the biggest brush is a powder brush to set everything. That actually seems like a very small powder brush to be setting my whole face, but this would probably be good for setting under the eyes, which I've already set my face, but I'll do a little touch up underneath my eyes. I'm just using Rimmel Stay Matte powder. It actually feels really nice under the eyes. See, this one I think you could actually get away with contouring with. It comes to a nice point, so you could actually get pretty specific in your contour with that. But I'm going to try this guy for contouring. So I'm going to go into my Kat Von D palette and pick up the lightest shade. That actually works pretty good. I think I'm going to like this brush. That's neat. I don't have a brush like this at all, so that's kind of a fun one. Ooh, this would actually maybe be good for contouring your nose. Let's try that. That worked pretty good for that. Good to know. So I definitely think the middle one I will probably get the most use out of, but it's always nice getting brushes in Boxycharm because actually probably half of my brushes in my collection are from Boxycharm, which is so nice. Next we have some eye products. We've got 2 eye products. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is beautiful. It's basically just glitter in a tube and it has a doe foot applicator. So I'm gonna stick that on my eyes. Zoom you guys in. Oh, I gotta put some lipstick on these crusty lips first. That's actually another Boxycharm goodie. This is a ColourPop Little Stitches that I got several months ago. I did prep my eyes with some eyeshadow already. I just did a shade in the crease and then a little bit of darkness on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my lid. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna tap out the edges with my finger to kind of blend it a little bit. That's such a pretty color. Here, I'm gonna swatch a little bit on my hand. I wonder if I can build it up a little bit more because it looks a little bit sheer in my eye, but swatch is really nice on the hand, so I'm gonna try to build it up once it dries a little bit. I feel like I definitely got more on this eye than the other eye. Whoops. I'm gonna wait for that to dry for a second and then I'm gonna go back in with the color on the outer corner to help it blend a little bit more. Oh, that dries really quick. That's $28 and it's a multi-use shimmering cream color. They're crease proof and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. So it says you can use it anywhere on your face, but honestly, I don't know that I'd use it anywhere else on my face. Maybe my lips. You could probably use this as like a lip topper. Oh, and this is the shade Amethyst. And then the other eye product I got is a Vintage by Jessica Liebskind Smoky Eye Pencil. And it's just in black. So this is a $21 eye pencil. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on without tugging or pulling. You can never go wrong with black eyeliner. So I'm gonna stick this in my waterline. That's a nice deep black, which is really nice. Now it says that you can use this for smudging, so I'm actually gonna take it underneath the eye a little bit and then smudge it out with a brush. Yeah, that smudge is really nice. I think I'm really gonna like this pencil as long as it stays put. It's the one thing about being a smudgy pencil is that I'm not sure if it'll actually stay in my waterline. And I'm gonna quickly pop on some mascara before I get into the next item. The last item in my box is a highlighting palette from Naked Cosmetics. I'm actually really excited about this because look at these colors. There's like a peachy one. This one has a bit of a purple undertone. This one's kind of a darker pink. This one's green, blue, and yellow. These are going to be beautiful. I can't wait to try these out. Let's see. Ooh, so creamy. I have been wanting like fashion highlighters like this for so long. There's the top row swatch, and of course you can't even tell on camera like what colors they are. But in person, they're really pretty. So this is the peachy one, the purple one, and the darker pink one. I'm so mad this doesn't show up as well on camera because in person, these are stunning. Ooh, the green one shows up really nice. Blue one too. Oh, and the yellow one. Okay, so there's the blue one. You can see that one. And the yellow one and the green one. These are so much fun. Now, as like an everyday makeup wearing person, these probably look a little bit intimidating, but to me, these look like so much fun to create a really, really fun looks with. In fact, ooh, I'm in the middle of doing a monochromatic rainbow series on Instagram, so I'm taking each color of the rainbow and doing a look just with that color. And my next one is green. So this green is gonna be so much fun to play with for that look. So stuff like that is gonna be so much fun. The only like really wearable color I'd say in this palette is this light peachy one. So I'm gonna wear that one today because I am filming a wine video tonight and I also have to go out after this, take the kids to swimming lessons. So we're gonna go with the safe one. So I'm gonna apply that with a fan brush. These pans are a little bit small for trying to get in there with a fan brush. Ooh, that's pretty. That actually has quite the like pinkish reflection. It's so pretty though. Love this. Can you guys tell on screen? There's like a really pretty pink sheen to it. Oh, I am so excited about these. You don't even know. Okay, pink highlight on my nose probably isn't the smartest idea, but oh, I love that. That with the pink glitter on my eyes looks so fun. I think this is my favorite thing in the palette, in the box this month. If I can get it to look like this in pictures, this is gonna be so fun. So that's from Naked. It is a $40 palette, 6 stunning holographic shades. This highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Yes. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. These would also be really pretty as like an eyeshadow topper if you're doing like a blue eyeshadow and you want just a little bit extra on top. Stick some of this on top. It's gonna transform the look. That's so beautiful. Well, for this being my last box, I'm pretty impressed with it. Okay, makeup brushes. Can always use more makeup brushes, so I'm not mad at it. They're probably not my favorite brushes, but they're nice. They're fluffy, they're soft, they're just shapes that I don't use a lot, but I'm gonna try. This eyeliner, super pigmented, creamy, easy to put on, easy to smudge. Love it. These shimmer veil. These are beautiful. I can see myself getting a lot of use out of that. And then this, I can always use a good lip scrub. Not crazy about the packaging, but I can make do. And then this, I'm dying for this. This is what I needed in my life. So, great way to wrap up my Boxycharm unboxing series. That's all I have for you guys. I will see you in my next video, which will no longer be Boxycharm videos, but I will have another video up for you guys soon. I've been sick for a couple of weeks, so I haven't put new content up in a while, but I'm getting back at it. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!